Morning guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to beautiful Korea. Today we're gonna be venturing a little bit outside where we're at right now. I'm going about 4 miles. We're going to Buraksan mountain or Buraksan trail. It should be super fun. I've heard good things about it and I'm excited to leave Pyongyang Tech and go to Ulsan. So that's our destination for today. I heard it's beautiful. I'm all gassed up. I had my caffeine this morning and I'm now having my shake. So I'm all gassed up, ready to go, ready to enjoy today. All right, so let's go to Ulsan. So we're in Pyongyang Tech, the main town, right? We're trying to find our bus. Right? And we're still on our way. The bus ride here was pretty easy. Ensure that you get your T-Money card before you come. T-Money card is gonna save you a lot of headaches, trust me. Alright, so we're still on our way. We're almost there. We have about 9 more stops to make, but so far it's been pretty good. The place is really beautiful. I'm amazed by how clean the place is, right? And the scenery is mind-blowing, right? There's a lot of like high-rise building, right? I'm gonna show you the high-rise building in a second once I clear these trees right here. But there's like a lot of high-rise building, which is understandable because Korea is like small, so I guess they have that like a lot of high-rise building to accommodate all the people. So these are some right here. And there is some more on the left-hand side. But another thing you should know about Korea is that it's not necessarily legal to like film people. So I try not to like put my camera on people, but the places were really awesome, really beautiful. Right? I'll try to show you more once we clear these trees. So we're like in the town. I'm not sure if it's Ulsan, but we're inside the town. As you can see over there again, it's like residential building over there. Right. There's a lot of like bus stops too. This bus is like a big thing here, but we're on our way, making good time. As soon as we get there, I'll let you know. Right. So we're at the entrance. We're walking towards the entrance of the trail. This is where we're at. That's our 360. Hey. Hey. Hello. How are you? It was a good day. Samida. Whatever that means.
That is,
thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
That's 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
With the little bow because he's older.
Anaseo. What's Anaseo?
안녕하세요.
What's that?
Hello.
Hello? Oh. Anaseo.
You know he's
Damn. I got it. Anaseo. I got it.
okay.
Was this a trail too? Or we're staying to the main trail?
We're staying on the main.
No,
We don't wanna-
those, I think it's a park or
Oh
something.
no, 'cause there's a little trail going into the.
Into the highlands. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful.
There's one, LIG.
Look
The
at that.
apartment.
LIG's apartment.
I think so. Yeah, all of these.
Go here.
This way.
Yeah.
You are saying it.
Anyone have to go to the bathroom before we start?
Yep, I think we should. All right.
You can.
Bathroom break. What you said it was? Cheseo?
Wait, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. She.
안녕하세요.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is awesome.
These are not real cars. It's a picture of in the night. These are like. They said it's a tumor. I bought some.
So from a distance, I wonder if it makes a picture, like some type of picture.
It makes a picture in the night. It gives light.
Oh, it's like light?
Yeah, I bought some for those I'm doing for the area. I bought some different ones.
I bet that looks pretty at night.
Yep.
Yeah. These are. Yeah. I make it small. Small. That I'm going to enjoy it. I'm doing all that around there. So I make it go to do my design.
They have like workout spot like everywhere.
What?
A workout spot there. You can come work out.
So this and this.
An녕하세요.
I don't know if I think I do this.
It's the same area though.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's go up. Straight up.
I see shoeless. We can talk to shoeless. I think it's this connection.
So,
Okay, I think we can.
It's not something like that. But I see people right there.
like they're gonna have a concert.
Party.
Party!
I know they're about to on post. Oktoberfest starts tonight.
Really?
Yeah,
Party?
What party is that?
Oktoberfest.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
You have party tonight? Huh? Dance tonight here? Church band.
Church where? Oh,
So worship night?
yeah, church.
Oh,
Yeah. We will. Thank you.
Church band. Okay.
So they're gonna have, yeah, church band.
You want to go to church? You better go.
Yeah, go church, man.
Yeah, you will.
Go church.
You will.
Go church and give it up for the Lord, yeah?
So now, where are you going here?
This way.
Yeah, I thought we were just going straight.
Oh, that's I can't say go like that. Welcome
So
to
green.
So green.
Hola!
Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien.
I'm going to give you guys one picture, put it in your water.
Muchas gracias. De nada.
Put one in there.
Oh, that pill?
It's not a ordinary pill. Stop your bone and your
Yeah, I'll put mine in
Thank you.
when I'm like all the way up first.
bone muscles and all this shit.
Those two.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna mount my GoPro to my head
For the bottle.
because I have this camera and I want to take pictures. So I'm gonna mount my GoPro to my head and I'll see you after this. We don't need no gym equipment.
하면 막 하면 대답이 막 답이 없는 거야.
You happy you bring your water? You happy you bring the water?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. Just in case you roll back. I got you. I mean, we both might roll all the way down to the start, but
That's equipment to relax.
let's see. Let's see.
You go here or here?
I didn't.
Navigator.
Yeah, I need a picture of that first.
I think this the most we have to go this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at this first.
I know we keep going straight.
Oh, there's a way there?
Oh yeah. It's like a crossover. Want a picture of you?
Are you going all the way up?
Oh, that's one. Oh, this one goes here. YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh.
You wanna say something for the camera? You English?
Oh.
Alright.
Hi. That's it.
What kind of YouTuber?
Travel.
Travel.
Yeah.
Korea or
Korea, wherever.
wherever.
Yeah, wherever. It doesn't matter.
That's better.
Yeah.
Let's go abroad,
Mhm.
Asian country.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Spain.
Nice hobby.
Yeah. Anywhere.
Anyway,
Next, maybe Japan.
Japan?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, where? Where else you go to Japan?
I wanna see what's it called? Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
Yeah.
Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
Nagasaki. I wanna see Tokyo too. Yeah. Tokyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you from America?
Yeah.
It's a military service area.
Yeah.
Protect city.
Yeah.
Ah.
Alright. Have a good day.
What's your is
Oh.
name?
I can just-
You're gonna have another follower?
Yep.
Follow.
Tukka 좋아요.
Huh?
Subscribe.
Subscribe? Yeah.
Like.
Nice. Thank you guys. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, you guys have a good day. 안녕하세요.
Incline.
Incline.
Body's like, wait, what's this? This is not a couch. This is not the stairs.
we run into a slight issue, so we're kind of lost. We're turning back. We're gonna take another direction on the trail and see where we end up. But where we went just now, we ran into some construction and the trail is like closed off. So we turned around and we're going to try another entrance. Yeah, nice, nice. So we're about to leave, maybe catch the bus again. It was a great experience here at Buraksan. We finished the Buraksan trail. It was a wonderful trail. There wasn't enough space to like give you like aerial view. I just got permission also to fly the drone in Korea, because I don't know if you know much about drone, but you need like permission to fly in certain countries, and Korea is one of those countries. So I finally got my permission, so we're all set. But there wasn't like enough open space or authorized zone to really fly, but it was still a cool experience. I tried my best to get y'all something from the sky, but another time, man, another time. Don't blame me too much. So we're about to leave from this area, maybe grab a bus or maybe just go and grab something to eat. Then, I don't know, maybe drink. I don't know. We burned 1,085 calories. And what did you deserve?
A big meal.
A big meal. What did you deserve? 2 main course. 2 main course.
No, 3.
3 main course.
I need to replenish.
3 main course.
Oh, that was fun.
It was fun. It was fun.
I know, right? Like my mind was, when does this song end?
Yeah, that honestly, that was the longest song I've ever danced to.
Yeah.
It was never ending.
That's the song.
See you. I'm saying. I keep forgetting.
Just yell at anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peace out, homie.